appreciation for Susie and Chris, the job you did. Susie, come, Susie, come here. Come here, Susie. Chris, come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay sort of in the back, let me tell you. The ice maiden, we call her the ice maiden. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay in the background. She's not in the background.
President-elect Donald Trump has appointed Susie Wiles, his campaign manager, as White House Chief of Staff, making her the first woman to hold the position. Trump praised her as his winning campaign manager, calling her tough, smart, innovative, and universally admired. He noted that Wiles played a key role in securing his recent victory. The Chief of Staff, a critical role, will involve overseeing White House operations, managing staff, organizing Trump's schedule, and coordinating with government agencies.